Hello friends, welcome to ANBG physics classes. Dear friends, subscribe our channel and press the bell button for the PDF of this. Join our telegram group, that is ANBG study group. In this video, I am going to share you about the momentum and principle of linear momentum and some examples related to momentum that we'll discuss now. Dear friends, we'll start now. First one, what is momentum here? Here, the product of the mass and the velocity of a body is called the momentum of the body. Dear friends, the product of mass and the velocity of a body is called the momentum of the body. Here we are having the formula momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Its unit is kg meter per second. Here unit of mass is, that is kg, and unit of velocity is meter per second, though. So unit of momentum is kg meter per second, and with that it's a vector quantity because momentum which has both direction and magnitude. So momentum is a vector quantity. This will understand with one simple example. Once again I'll read that the product of mass and velocity of a body is called the momentum of the body. Here we'll discuss one small example. If two bodies are moving with a uniform velocity, a heavier body has larger linear momentum than the lighter one. See, if both are moving with the velocity u, this is also moving with the velocity u. See, here both are moving in a uniform velocity, so larger mass, this having the greater momentum than the smaller one. When both are moving in the uniform velocity, then the object which having larger mass, that should have the more momentum, means maximum momentum than the other one. So momentum that depends on mass of the object. This is one condition. With that one more, just I'll tell them. See, with that, see, this smaller object moving with a 100 meter per second with the velocity, and this bigger object moving with a 10 meter per second. So if you multiply this mass and velocity, mass is m and velocity is 100, so we will get 100 kg meter per second. That will get in the same, see, magnitude will get more for the object which having the smaller mass than the object which having larger mass. So momentum depends on both mass and velocity. Only when both the objects are moving with a uniform velocity, then object which having the more mass, that have the maximum momentum than the smaller object. And if the velocity change, then that depends on magnitude of the momentum. So momentum, it depends on both mass and velocity. Now we'll go with some examples. Here conservation of momentum they have given. What is the conservation of momentum? See, conservation of momentum means neither we can create nor destroy the momentum of the object. First one, rocket works on the principle of conservation of momentum. Dear friends, remember this because in the previous exam so many times this has been asked. Rockets works on the principle of, this is the question, and they will give the 4 options in that. Principle of conservation of momentum, that is the answer for this. Rocket works on the principle. And when man jumps from a boat to the shore, then the boat slightly moves away from the shore. See, when a man jumps from a boat to the shore, the boat slightly moves away from the shore. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹಡಗಿನಿಂದ ಜಿಗಿತಾನೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಬೋಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ದೋಣಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀರಿನ ನದಿ ದಂಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೀರಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಂದರೆ, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಕೆಟ್ಗಳು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಜರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬುಲೆಟನ್ನು ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ಗನ್ ಸ್ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಜರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್. ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ which can neither be created nor be destroyed. And what is the principle of conservation of linear momentum? Principle of conservation of linear momentum is in the absence of the external force, the total momentum of the system is conserved. In the absence of the external force, total momentum of the system is conserved. I hope you have understand this concept, what is momentum and some of the examples for momentum, and principle of on which principle rocket works, that also I have discussed. Rocket works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum, and momentum which depends on both mass and velocity. Unit of momentum is kg meter per second, and it's a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Dear friends, remember these things. This will help you for the upcoming exams. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in the next session with some other topic. Once again, thank you for watching the video.